Hey everyone, I first wanted to say I hope your year is going well, and then I want to say greetings from Dallas, from SheSmilesWithin. I don't know if you were in the loop, but we did a 21-day New Year prep to get prepared for this new year. And I wanted to walk you through some of the things that I'm doing this year. So one thing that I really wanted to do, actually I put it on my vision board about 2 years ago, and it was really about creating an environment that I really love to be in with my home. And so I since moved from Kansas City to Dallas, Texas, and so even though I did not create that when I was there, I'm going to be very proactive in making sure that I do it here. So I'm going to show you my thrift store haul, and just some ways that you can be practical about meeting your goals and have fun doing it. So let's get to it. So first I want to show you, well, let's start first with this chair, this lovely chair, of course. I actually got this from the thrift store. This chair was from the thrift store. Actually everything that I'm going to show you today is from the thrift store, even this. So this chair, I'm going to show you the before and after. I actually painted it with chalk paint. It is a lovely chair, and it has a nice light gray tone. I think it's called aged gray for you guys, but I love it, and it's still rather soft. You have to actually go to that video and check it out. I'm not going to get into it. Next is this lovely, it's basically a king size blanket, and I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do, but I thought it would be perfect for the living room. You know how you get those big wicker baskets and you put blankets in them for, like, if you want to watch a movie or TV, and you want to just, you know, put a throw over you. This is a huge one, so you can share and have a great movie night in the house together. And next are these. I got these for $3.99. These are actually IKEA pillowcases. I am going to definitely stuff them, and these are going to be perfect for my living room decor as well. I don't know if you can tell, but it's going to be, my decor is, I'm leaning more towards grays, whites, creams, all neutral colors, with maybe a pop of like blue and light green and maybe like a peach color every now and then. The main base, I'm going to of course also bring in gold, silvers, copper, and things like that as well. You'll just have to see it when it's done. Next is this one. This is actually an IKEA bucket, and I just temporarily put a plant in there. I'm going to repot it, but this was $1.99. $1.99 from the store. I have to price it out to see if it was actually a steal or a deal, to see how much this was actually at IKEA, because $1.99, I started thinking about it, I'm like, maybe I paid too much. Next is this gratitude jar. This was actually for sale at Goodwill. And actually all of my hauls are a number of different thrift stores between Kansas City and Dallas, because I went home for the holidays, and of course I grabbed things while I was there. So it was $2.99. This is from Goodwill. Next I have this little thing, and I thought it was cute for just some simple decor. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got seashells and things in it, and this was $2.99. Maybe a bit overpriced, but I think it was decent. I actually got this puppy in Kansas City. So I love this because when I first saw it, I immediately thought, okay, this is a great decor piece. But the functionality of everything in there, I guess they did not sell each individual item. And so they put everything of like nature in one jar. So I paid $9.99 for this. And this ring alone was priced at $4, which was probably overpriced anyway, but it's got really nice pieces in it. So I thought that was a great idea for a thrift store to put all of its unsold jewelry in a jar. Really nice rings, if you can see. I don't know if you can see, but really cute rings. There's also Susan G. Komen little thing. Love it, love it, love it. Great decor piece. This is also, if you guys have things around the house, throw them in a bucket and make something cute. Next up is actually this little piece. It was 95 cents. And I thought it was just a cute little thing that could go anywhere. I may have paid a little bit too much for this. It was $4.99, but I thought it would be perfect for, you know, maybe a bathroom. I love the white backing and I love the frame. Next up is this wonderful piece, guys. It's gorgeous. It's got a little bit of gold and copper and a little peach, and of course it's green, so it brings in plants. This is going to be a perfect piece for, if you guys can see this, for maybe the kitchen table, for when I decorate the kitchen table. We'll see. I haven't decided quite yet, but it has earned its spot somewhere, and I got this for $4.99, guys. $4.99 from Thrift Store. Next up is some more linen that I got. So this linen is very thick. I love it, and there were two nice size pieces just like this. And so what I'm thinking as another DIY project, because pillows can be expensive sometimes, so if you guys can see, I have kind of placed a pillow in here. What I'm going to do is take this and make some pillow covers. And then I saw this really cute Paris theme, and then also maybe some iron-ons with gold, but just easy ways to create my own pillows. I have plenty of pillows and they're just all different colors, so trying to save money and repurpose them is going to be what I'm going to do. So I've got two of these huge things, and some I may dye. I may take pieces and dye it with some of that Rit fabric dye to create different pillows as well. So these two pieces were actually $2.99 a piece. I do think they were overpriced. Goodwill typically, to me, is overpriced sometimes, but I thought they were cute. They're $2.99, perfect little pieces for anywhere in the house. Next up is this. It's super cute. This was $1.94, and I actually got this from Dallas, and it's a great, I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with it yet. I'll figure it out, but $1.99. This I actually felt immediately in love with. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I love it. And so I'm trying to fill my home with things that I love and not just things that I like. This is something that I love. I don't know if you guys can see how pretty it is. It's so pretty. But yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Next up, in my, what do I want to show you guys next? Okay, so I got this tip from Mr. Kate. I love Mr. Kate. So Mr. Kate, just want to say hey if you ever watch this. But I got these lovely, lovely books for $1 a piece. So okay. I got all these for $1 a piece, but I really got them for what they look like with the covers off. So Steve Jobs, this is a great book to have regardless, but I got this book because it's going to go with my decor. This is a light gray book that will go perfect with my decor if I want to do a little setting on the dining room table. This has got that peach. It's also got gray in it, but it's a perfect book. It's got like the metallic, like a pink metallic on it. This book is dirt music. Of course, Susie Orman. Anything about finance is great, but Susie Orman actually has a great peach like a light color with gold, and it's The Courage to Be Rich. Perfect, perfect. This one's the same. It's got like a gold lettering on it. Next up is the side of the angels. And so this one has turquoise with gray lettering, so that's going to be great. It's just a way to bring some really awesome decor into your home. And of course, Born. I watch all these. I think I just got this because I love every single one of them. You know, all the Born Identity, Born Ultimatum. So these are a great way to add some decor to your home. And luckily for me, I think all these books are dual purpose because I will actually read them. Okay, so this is so much fun, and it was so much fun to show you everything that I got from the thrift store for decor. I hope that you can find some great finds at your local thrift store. Don't be afraid to branch out and pop through different ones. If you find one that has great stuff, stop by there maybe 1 or 2 times a week just to kind of see what good stuff they may have or continue to bring in. I've seen some great stuff and I just couldn't fit it in my car. So I probably would have so much more, but you know, this one I just couldn't let go, and someone picked it up for me. But I always wanted one of these nice big chairs that are normally like $200, and I got it for $9.99 and I painted it. Get out there, make your home be what you want it to be. Make your environment have the energy and love and just everything that you purpose for it to be. And you don't have to spend a lot of money to create that. It's something that I really want to make sure that you know creates the perfect environment for you. So bye guys.